Hello beautiful people, I hope you are all fine. In this video we are gonna learn that how we can get the API key of Google TTS or text to speech service, and we can use it to use Google TTS. So first of all we will go to Google console in the Google dashboard, and after that we will click on this link. Okay, so you make sure that you have created a new project here if you don't have any project. So you have to create a new project here, and then you can create your API key. And after that, you just have to go in API and services, and then you will see this button. You have to click on it, enable APIs. Here you have to search text to speech, and you will see this service. You will click on it, and after that you will get a button here, enable button, and whenever you will click on enable, after enabling, and it will ask you the billing information. You just give you a billing information, and after that you just go back, again back where we get started. Okay, this page, and then you have to come in the credentials. Actually I have already created a key, but we will create another one. So we have to create the service account, not API key, not auth, this one, for Google TTS. We will the credentials here, like in our case we can give a name, TTS, okay, and service account description. This is just API key, and after that we will go create and continue. We can add a role here. In my case we can give the owner. You can add accordingly. Okay, we can leave it, and we will go in the done. And as you will go into the done, and we have our this service, we can open it, and you will come here in the key section, and we do not have any key for time, so we are gonna create a new key. We have two options, so most recommended is the JSON, and we always use JSON for our web application, and we will create. Okay, so you can see that this API key has been created for us. Actually it will not created, we cannot download it again, so it is a private key. And after that you can get this. And if you are working on any Munstack developer on Munstack application, and you want to get some more detail that how we have to use this key for Google TTS, so that you can prefer to watch our one more video, and you will get more detail in the next video. You can just, I will just add in my description, so you can check it. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.